Today I'm looking at a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500. When I went to driving it, it started humming on me a couple days ago, but it seems like it's getting worse. It sounds like a helicopter. I mean, if you go fast enough, it feels like it's shaking the whole front end. It was either my tires, my wheel bearing, or my differential. So I jacked it up and went ahead and changed the tires, got new tires, and it still made a noise, so I jacked it up. And I do got play when you grab it at 12 o'clock here. You can check it that way or grab it from the 3 o'clock position, shake it that way. Or you can just get your crowbar and pick up on the wheel. You can check it that way also. And you can spin it. You can hear that noise. You can grab your spring. You can feel the vibration from the bad bearing. And you spin it fast enough, you can almost hear that humming sound. But yeah, I checked the differential level on the rear end, and everything was full. But if you ever wondered, if you thought it was the rear end, all you do is jack up the back end of your truck and put it on jack stands and gas on it. You know, make sure your wheels are chalked in the front. Put gas on it, and you should be able to hear the noise coming from the middle. If it's your differential. I thought it was my differential because I got stuck. Well, my rig got stuck, and I was doing some heavy pulling, so I thought I might have messed it up. But no, it was my wheel bearing. Yep.